back to my channel. We'll be making a sunflower theme. So it's actually very simple. It's going to be a balloon garland that we'll be using for this. Let's see how it goes. It's a step-by-step process, but I assure you that it's very simple and doable. We'll be using different shades of yellow. I have 3 different shades of yellow for the sunflower theme. And then I have 5-inch green, black. I also have the 12-inch balloon. This is what I'll be mixing, although I'll be using the sunflower itself. It's an artificial flower that I got from a local store here. Don't need to have a particular size since it's going to be a balloon garland.
For this design, I used about 150 pieces of 12-inch balloons. For the 5-inch balloons, I used approximately 50 total. That is the combination of the green, black, and yellow.
Join it, which will be used to design the garland. It is a lot easier, I believe, because I actually used both. I used this when I did another video, you can check it out, and then I used the glue gum, and I didn't like the outcome of the glue gum. I preferred this. It was more firm. It stayed for a longer period. The glue gum was coming off after some time, so I didn't like the outcome. Our joint balloon with the ribbon. So just attaching it. I'm going to leave a part of this, and then just putting it, wrapping it around the back, and then building it up like that. Doesn't have to follow a particular process or order. This is what I have now, and I'm going to build it all the way up with my ribbon.
So this is the length we have for now, but we want it to reach, you know, from the top to the bottom. So we'll be building in more garlands. It's just adding it 2 by 2 to the ribbon, and it's built on. At this point, I'm not adding in the 5-inch balloons. I'm only using the 12-inch balloons, since we'll be using the long balloons to build the 5-inch balloons.
With the tip of your ribbon, we are going to attach this to the railings. So the garland will be attached to the top of the railings, and then we have a fold. Moment, guys, this is what we have. As you can see, it's taking shape already. This time I'm using the long balloon to fill in the spaces. It's a lot easier. I prefer it to using the, see? I just put it in and it fills up the spaces. So guys, this is what I have at the moment. See that as it comes to the lower part, it spreads out. This is exactly how I want it to be. I'm still going to be attaching more 5-inch balloons, and then I will be building balloon column to be on the other side of the backdrop.
I'm putting in the artificial sunflower right in between the rod, that is the stand holding the balloons. So it's going to be the one holding the flower. You're going to see the outcome in a bit. And here is the outcome, everyone. The balloon column is ready. Here it is, very beautiful. I'll be using the 5-inch balloons, the small ones, to fill up some spaces. As you can see, there are some spaces in between the balloons. But the thing is that I don't want the upper part of this garland to be too busy, so I will be concentrating more on the lower part. We're filling in the 5-inch balloons using my long balloons to fill in the spaces. Here is the balloon column is ready. We'll just be focusing more on the garland now. So this is everyone. And this is the other side. So this is the full backdrop. This design can be used for any occasion: wedding, birthdays, graduation, anything, any occasion, baby shower, name reveal, any occasion. Let me know what you think. I love it. And just like I said, I concentrated more on the down because I wanted it to be like this. This is exactly what I pictured, and this is what the outcome actually is. So I love what I'm seeing. I used 2 artificial flowers, one on the balloon column and the other one on the balloon garland. You see, that's it sticking right there. Thank you for watching. Yes, let's decorate together. Bye for now.